Okay, so we're on Highway 33. We just left Saukville. We're heading into Port Washington, coming up to the roundabout at Highway LL. Roads are not real good. There's a lot of blowing, drifting. I don't know if they've been putting down salt. I don't think so. It doesn't seem like it. I have my truck in four-wheel drive and I'm sliding around pretty good. Not really sure how cars are able to drive on this, but we will all persevere. We're passing the culvers on the right side. You can see a lot of the drifting here, just blowing directly from the north. We're getting snow off the lake. I can see it coming at us pretty horizontally. Guy plowing his driveway. Coming into Port Washington now. It is quite lovely, but it's blowing pretty hard. I would say we probably have about a quarter of a mile of visibility, maybe a little bit more, but not much more than that. And this is the 1000 block of Grand Avenue, which is also Highway 33. See, there's not a lot of traffic out. It's about 4:15 on Super Bowl Sunday, February 1st, 2015. Just passing Garfield Avenue, the 800 block of Grand Avenue. Coming up on Highway 32, heading south. This is Hill School Park on the left. This is the big hill going down Grand Avenue into the downtown area of Port Washington. We're in the 700 block of Grand Avenue right now. I saw earlier when I was coming this way there was a number of cars trying to get up this hill, having some difficulty slipping and sliding right by the train tracks here. Pretty good incline. It's usually fairly icy when it's snowy out like this, and cars definitely have problems getting up that hill. Now we're in about the Grand Avenue Saloon, or the 500 block of Grand Avenue. Bella Le Salon on the right. United Methodist Church. Homeward Bound Tattoo on the left there. Looks like here in the downtown, or as we're approaching the downtown area, 400 block of Grand Avenue, it looks like they have salted. There's I can see the blue salt down on the roads. This is pretty slushy. It's not hard packed snow like it was back further out of town. Passing still in the 400 block of Grand Avenue. High School on the left. Niederkorn Library on the left. Just went over the river. Now we're in the 300 block of Grand Avenue, West Grand Avenue here. Mobile gas station on the right. Tello's restaurant we're coming up on the left. Definitely can see a lot of the blue I don't know, calcium chloride or whatever that's called that they put on the streets. We're gonna go straight down to the lake, and then that'll be the end of our journey today. I've gone a long ways out of my way, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like down here. Actually, we'll just go through the downtown real quick. So here we are in the downtown area, approaching the Smith Brothers Duluth Trading. The Holiday Inn Hotel is on the right. Pebble House we just passed on the left there. There's Rotary Park. You can see, you can't see anything out on the lake. Here we are turning around the turn. Schooner's on the right, Bernie's on the left. Harry's Restaurant on the right. The old Wilson House on the right. Too bad that isn't a restaurant anymore. That was a really nice restaurant. The Daily Baking Company on the left. The Charbuno Jewelers on the right. You can kind of make out St. Mary's just barely straight dead ahead of us. And that will be it for our journey. I'm going to head back home and get out of this cold and snow, because it's the right thing to do at this point. Passing a pasta shop on the left. So have a good day, everyone. Stay safe.